this is going back towards downtown Montego Bay. This is anybody didn't know, this is a Garrison, just like Tivoli Garden. This is called Flanker. And this is one of the Garrison shantytown right across from Montego Bay Airport. Beautiful airport, and then you have the Garrison right across from it. So this is another part of Jamaica with a lot of thugs. So they say, nobody up on the hill and buy land or pay for the house, and just take the house, take the land, and just so it's set. And look now, the soldier camp is right there. So amazing, the soldier camp right there. So when them begin fire shots, say next 2 days right over here, it's gonna be very easy for the soldiers. So just possible walk across the street. Just walk across the street and I guess pop back some shots on them. Up there on the hilltop, it's called Flower Hill, Montego Bay. Yeah. Look at that, man. That's Flanker. So if you don't know Flanker, that's Garrison Flanker. Bad place, you know. When they're ready for lecture, it's the worst than over Iraq, I'm telling you. But right now everything is calm in Montego Bay, but I'm very, very sure. I videoed this today, Wednesday. What's the date again? The 28th? 26th of May. Today, Wednesday, the 26th of May. I'm videotaping this. But I guarantee you, say next 2 days, they will in place you can't drive or walk or whatever. A pure shot I go start up. Pure shot. Them say 50 kilometers. I mean, the place is so beautiful, and it's just a shame that, you know, they might have all them gangland killing, you know, nice resort. Of course, you hear them a blow, right? Them blow at everything, them see. Them see a fly.
You're driving like a grandpa, that's why.
You're driving like what?
A grandpa.
Okay, and I don't say that about the daddy. I'm driving safe.
You're not driving safe, you're videotaping. That's not safe. There's nothing safe about that.
You don't want me to drive you erratic and hurt you. I'm driving safe. I put on my seatbelt. I put on my seatbelt.
Driving safe is driving without your video camera. So they can pay attention to what's going on with the train.
Alright, you video them.
I am videoing. I'm about to get out the car.
You don't trust your daddy? This man here, look at him, turning his stuff up in the middle of the road.
That's not typical.
This is a great Gloriana. This is a great Gloriana hotel. You hear about the lady Gloriana that they make the movie of? That was her hotel. That is where she started out her life. With one little 2-bedroom thing, and she takes her and bill and turn it into a major hotel, and also turn it into a major movie. Man, it's just great, man. Some things I can't for good people, blessed people, like me, of course. I'm blessed. I'm blessed. You see how I love for them myself? Because I love myself. And if you want to be good in life, you have to love yourself. That is the dead end beach down there. Yeah. Some people say.
The next left is what you're gonna do.
Next left where?
The next available left.
Okay, and a street or what? Driveway or what? You see?
Right at the university.
This is the good drivers in Jamaica. They just back out in
This
front
is
of
why
you.
you need to pay attention.
I'm paying attention.
Right there.
Okay. So this left.
Yeah.
Just pay them, I pay attention. I never meet an accident in my life yet. I'm in a plan to meet one now. What am I doing about the hotel after you?
Where it says back page. Yeah. In here.
In here, sir. Back page. Oh, back page. Yeah, see.
I'm safe, but this is the office that you want to
You see?
Yeah, that's what I'm going to do my nails.
Oh, you're going to do your nails?
Hello? That's the office that you wanted to go to. Hey, where are you?
Office, sir. Oh, yeah, okay. So, you're going to come in already? Kiana?
Alright.
You're coming already?
I'll let you call us office.
Alright. Over. Oh. Here? Come in. Alright. I want to check on my brethren. Big time artist, producer. Sonny. Right.
Nadine, this is my dad. This is Nadine.